Yesterday, one of our goldfish was swimming upside down in the tank. Poor buddy. I'm not a fish expert, but I know that floating upside down is not a good thing. A French fry was swimming. I still thought he might be practicing for the final act. We might have to get ready for a toilet bowl funeral, and I was starting to panic. Because although I've had some conversations with my son about these tricky things, I've seen how he reacts to like a dead frog outside. I googled it and found out that goldfish have a swim bladder, and that when that swim bladder gets full of air because they're either constipated or they're sucking too much air from the top of the tank, they swim upside down. If they're constipated, you can feed them peas. But I remember we're at the bottom of our fish food bottle and the little flakes are tiny, so he's probably going to have a lot of bites up at the top. So we just went and got a new thing of fish food with bigger flakes, and the problem resolved. And I guess this is just a long way of me telling you, we don't know what we don't know. And there's no shame in not knowing something. I mean, it's different if you know something and then you choose not to do better. But if you're watching a video from me or another parenting creator and it triggers you, try not to take it personally. And remember that you just didn't know that before. When I share things, I'm not trying to make you feel ashamed of something that you're doing currently. I'm just trying to share some ideas for what might work better later on. In the case of my fish, I would have just finished that bottle of fish food had I not learned anything, because we had no problems with the fish food up until that point. It seemed like everything was going okay until it wasn't. Moving forward, maybe I'll be a fish expert. I don't know. Is there a fish TikTok?